Kia ora! Welcome to the second lesson in tenses. Today we're going to learn future tense. We know that to indicate the present we use kei te or e ana. To indicate the future we say ka. How we form the rest of the sentence is the same as when we use kei te, meaning the sentence starts with ka. Immediately after, we put the verb, and finally, the pronoun to state who will do the action. Ka kōrero au. I will speak. Ka kōrero koe. You will speak. Ka kōrero ia. He or she will speak. Notice that the verb does not change, no matter who is doing the action. Just like in the present tense, we can change the verb to change the action itself. Oma means run. Ka oma au. I will run. Ka oma koe. You will run. Ka oma ia. He or she will run. In addition to au, koe, and ia, we can use the other pronouns for more people that we learned before. Let's practice using kōrua, which means you two, and koutou, which means you all, for 3 or more people. Kai means eat. Ka kai kōrua. You two will eat. Ka kai koutou. All of you will eat. Waiata means sing. How do you say, you two will sing? Ka waiata kōrua. And how do you say, all of you will sing? Ka waiata koutou. We can create questions simply with a change of inflection. Ka waiata kōrua. Will you two sing? Ka waiata koutou. Will all of you sing? Moe means sleep. How would you ask, will you two sleep? Ka moe kōrua. And how would you ask, will all of you sleep? Ka moe koutou. There you have it. Now you know how to form basic sentences in future tense in Māori. Ka kite!